Hello students, today we will solve some more problems on quadratic equation. So here I have taken one problem which is not in standard form, quadratic equation form. So first of all we will simplify it and convert it into standard form. Then we will use any of the two methods which we have learned. That is factorization method and the formula method. Okay. So for solving this, first of all we will take all the x terms on one side and the constants term on the right hand side. So here now taking the LCM, x minus a minus b minus a. So taking LCM here also it is this. Now plus x minus x cancel, minus sign common. So here also we can write b plus a as a plus b. So this we can now cancel it out. From both sides a plus b is cancelled. So now this implies minus ab is equals to ax plus bx plus x square. So now this is in standard form. We will rearrange it x square into x, a plus b plus ab equals to 0. Now this is in standard form. For solving this you can use any of the two methods. I am using factorization method. So taking two terms together, x common, x plus a, here b common, x plus a. So we can take x plus a common, so x plus b here. Taking each term as 0, you will get the two roots. So x is equal to minus a and x is equal to minus b. This is the answer. Let us take this word problem which we have already done in pair of linear equation in two variables, upstream downstream problem. Okay. So here the speed of boat in still water is 11 km per hour. Speed of boat in still water is already given to you. It can go 12 km upstream and return downstream to the original point in 2 hours 45 minutes. Find the speed of stream. So here we have to find the speed of stream. Let the speed of stream be x km per hour. Here the units are in kilometer and hour, so we are taking x km per hour. Now speed of boat in still water is 11 km, but speed of boat upstream. Speed of boat upstream is 11 minus x km per hour. I already told you in upstream the speed will be less. And speed of boat downstream, down to the stream, the speed will enhance and therefore the speed will 11 plus x km per hour. Okay. So time taken upstream. Time taken upstream is, we know that it is distance upon speed. So distance is 12 km, speed upstream is this. So time taken upstream and time taken downstream, same distance is covered. So 12 is the distance covered and 11 plus x is the speed. Now according to question, upstream and then returning downstream, total in this much time. So total time 12 by 11 minus x this time while going and this time while coming. Total time is 2 hours 45 minutes. So we will convert it into hour. So that will be 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4. So this is the equation. Now we have to simplify this. Taking the LCM, 11 minus x, product of these two, 11 plus x. Taking 12 common, we can write it like this. So this is 11 by 4. Now plus x minus x cancel. This is a minus b, a plus b, so a square minus b square. using the identity. So this implies 11 twos are 22, 24 into 4 by cross multiplication 11 square minus x square. So 121 minus x square. Simplifying this, x square is equals to 121 minus 96. So x square equals to 25 and hence x is equals to plus minus 5. Neglecting the negative value, the speed of stream is 5 km per hour. This is the answer. So another word problem. A passenger train takes 2 hours less for a journey of 300 km. If its speed is increased by 5 km per hour from its usual speed. So find the usual speed of train. So here we have to find the usual speed of train. So let us take the usual speed of train be x km per hour. Then we know that time is equals to distance upon speed. So in this case, when the usual speed is x, the time is distance 300 km and speed is x. So time is 300 by x. This is for case 1. Now for case 2, when the speed is now increased by how much? By 5 km per hour. Then what is the time in this case? Distance is same 300. So distance upon speed is time in this case. Now according to question, this time is 2 hours less. The second time is 2 hours less than the previous time. So this time minus second case time, the difference is 2 hours. Okay. So again solving this, taking 300 common, taking the LCM, product of these two, you will get x plus 5 minus x. So plus x minus x cancel. So 150 is equals to x square plus 5x. So x square plus 5x is equals to x square plus 5x minus 150 equals to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation, you will get the answer.